Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unbagging from Amazon, and it is another less than $10 budget-friendly canvas. I'll get it out here in a minute. Alright, so I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I know I do this in every single video, but I just want y'all to know that I appreciate you. So, all right. Whew. With that being said, this is in a plastic zip bag. All right, it says Tiny Fun, focus on diamond paintings. That is cute. And on the back of the bag, it has the same thing, a diamond painting. It has step-by-step instructions. Yeah. And then it has their social media, I think, or tips. Maybe it's tips. All right. Anyway, let's just get into this. It's a nice bag, though, especially if you're somebody who wants to reuse your bags that come, your little canvases come in. But I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to be hard to get it out. All right, and I don't want to rip the bag. All right, there we go. Okay, so this is a poured glue, should be. Alright, I'm going to let that just kind of flatten out a little bit there. It is a pliable, rubbery filling canvas. But, let's see, in this toolkit, which is a little bit better than your average toolkit, you get... If I can get this out. I'm having all kinds of issues with this. Alright. You get a few of these bags. You get quite a few of them, actually. Most of the time, they only put like 2 or 3. But you get quite a bit of them. I'd say there's at least 10. Alright. They give you a single placer pen with a 4-placer, and these, y'all, are the really good 4-placers. Anything that has any of the multi-placers that are this white color, I love them. So, that's a plus. You get a little pen squishy, a square of pink wax, and then you get a regular white tray. So, of course, it's going to be better than your regular green boat kit. Alright, and it does have the canvas number on the baggie of drills. It also has the DMC numbers on the drills. So that's cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and flip this over so I can see which one this is so I can tell you how much it was. Alright. Cool. Alright, y'all. I have seen this image on Amazon several times and thought it was cute, but I just never did order it until now. It was only $4.99, y'all. Alright, so it is a 30 by 40. And it is, like I said, it is from Tiny Fun. It has the canvas number up here, which are on the baggies. Now, the schematic is on the very bottom. But it is turned to where you can actually read it. You don't have to turn it around. You can read it just like this. And it has 36 colors. And we have a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, if y'all can see this. And it is, like I said, DMC charted. So that is good. All right, so let's look at these drills. I love the rainbow colors, y'all. More color, the better. All right, so let's find number 1 right here. Now, I'm not going to call off the number or the drill colors. We're just going to go through them real quick because I have a feeling that my lighting is fixing to get terrible because it is getting ready to come a downpour. So we have a lot of purples, which is my favorite color. Love purple. We have greens and reds and blues. And then, let's see, we have another strip. And we have more blues and green blues and peach and pinks and yellows. And there's some gray, more blues and greens and orange. Yep. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And they look good. I don't even see hitchhikers. Good looking set of drills. All right, so we're going to put these over to the side. And then I am going to bring y'all down so that we can look at the canvas. Now, this is round drills. And y'all, if my phone is focusing, drill field looks really good. Really good. Now, I will say that I do not like the darker color on this red because you can barely... I'm blind as a bat. And I can hardly see. I can't... From where I'm standing looking through my phone, I cannot even tell y'all what the symbol, letter, number, whatever that is for this red. So if I turn my light pad on, I could, or not my light pad, but my, oh crap, what is, my LED light, I could probably, well, I see it now. Is that a D? It is. Okay, anyway, I still don't like that. But yeah, the rest of this looks really good, y'all. I think it's going to be real pretty when it's done. And I like that the girl and the umbrella are like darker. Looks like, you know, like a silhouette. But yeah, what do y'all think? I think it's pretty cool that they put the chart down here at the bottom. So that's pretty neat. Yeah. All right, y'all. What do you think? What do you think about this one? Like I said, I only gave $4.99 for this. So that is not bad. Not bad at all. All right. I will put a link in my description box for this. Hopefully, by the time my video is on, it will still be available because I have been finding that a lot of these canvases are currently unavailable. So I'm kind of glad I grabbed them when I did, but I hate it for y'all that, you know, unless you stay on it and they come back available, they may not be back. So, all right, y'all. Until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.